projects here at the city of Mumbai and all across the country. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to congratulate both the father and the son duo. So let's give it up for Bipin A. Mehta ji, the chairman emeritus, and Sahil Bipin Mehta, his son, who are truly owning the very brilliant Bardhaman reality. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the group has truly made sure that's all about the sophistication taking place in the times of today, at the same time sustainability and functionality, which is the need of the hour. So it's time for us to truly congratulate both of them to make sure that they really satisfy and give that space to every individual to have that perfect happy feeling, because we owe it all to the world of real estate, जहाँ हमें वो खूबसूरत घर मिलते हैं और हम खुशी से उस स्पेस में रहते हैं, ऑफिस स्पेस में रहते हैं. We truly owe our happiness to the world of real estate, interior designers and the architects. So may we please have a loud round of applause for the cover page and congratulate both of them. They were supposed to be here with us, but due to some emergency they are unable to make it. But nevertheless, we are friends from the media, so आज सारा world देख रहा है और सुन रहा है that we have their project on the cover page. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for all of us to put our hands together for the one and only from Magnet Publishing, our living legend. Well, he's been ruling the world of not just media and the film world, but also the world of interior designing, allowing students to get real great access to all those legends in the world of real estate and interior designing, and at the same time giving them the right training. Let's give it up for the one and only Mr. Ashok Dalmankar as we request you to join us here. Thank you so much. Our very talented editor, may we please welcome Swati Balge. Swati, thank you so much. We're very excited to take a look at everyone who's been featured in the magazine and about the latest whereabouts, because this is summertime, vacation time. So pretty just like everyone, we try to redo or do something new with our beautiful space, so it's very, very special. So thank you so much. So are we ready, everyone, to meet our superstars? Everybody?
Yeah, ready.
Loud cheer?
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the most awaited moment. Winning hearts right from being an inspector in Sarfarosh to Koi Mil Gaya, to, ladies and gentlemen, innumerable films, not just in our Bollywood film fraternity, but also in South. Personality, ladies and gentlemen, which is very rich, and at the same time, जो उन्हें एक बार देखते हैं और उनसे मिलते हैं, उनके दीवाने हो जाते हैं. हम भी उनके दीवाने हैं. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं, ladies and gentlemen, our living legend, Mr. Mukesh Rishi. Please, thank you so much. Sorry, I correct myself. A young living legend, Mukesh Rishi ji. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful feeling as we have the very, very pretty girl sitting here. And right from the music album that she played, well, let me tell you, न सिर्फ directors, producers, but her दिल की धड़कन आज तक है वो. जी हाँ, with a beautiful, lovely girl next door that she played and danced with a beautiful classical act and mohabbatein, she's still winning hearts. May we please put hands together for the supremely pretty, the gorgeous and supremely talented, and now also a very renowned entrepreneur. Let's give it up for Preeti Jangiani. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Pro Panjali is creating waves across the world, and besides that, the one who's been ruling not just the Bollywood films but also English films, and more than that, the real game changer is when his performance live. Well, ladies and gentlemen, right from his performance to becoming a producer to getting into the world of sports with Pro Panjali, may we please welcome Parveen the Boss. Thank you so much, Parveen. Thank you for joining us here. And सजना कहते कहते हमने तो सच में उसी को अपना सजना माना है, and now she's absolutely excited to recreate one of the most amazing classic. फिलहाल राज को राज रखते हैं, फाश नहीं करते हैं. May we please welcome the very beautiful, sensational singer. जब वो गाती है तो न सिर्फ हमारे दिल तक बल्कि रूह तक आवाज पहुंचाती है. Shibani Kashyap for us, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, this looks truly amazing. So are we ready for the unveiling, friends? Yeah. All right, so we're gonna have the countdown of 10. All right, and आराम से करेंगे. We're taking our positions. And we truly thank you on behalf of Society Interiors and Design for honoring us with your very bright presence, your smile, and your personality is like always. Wow, you're here.
छोटी बहुत बोलते हैं. Thank you so much, Society having me. इस तरह इस सोसाइटी का डिजाइन और इंटीरियर जो है बहुत सुंदर है. उसी तरह उसी सोसाइटी में एक आदमी है जिसका नाम अशोक है. कि जब जब बुलाते हैं इनकार करने का कोई रीजन ही नहीं होता है. ही इज सो सिंपल एंड ही इज सो गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच अशोक. और क्योंकि जब भी मैं नारी साहब से मिला हूँ, उनकी बहुत काम पर्सनैलिटी जो है ना, उनको देखो तो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. वही कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं अशोक अपनी जिंदगी में भी और इस मैगजीन के साथ भी. नारी साहब हमारे हमेशा खुशी होती है यहाँ आके, जहाँ इमीडिएटली आप इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हो. बहुत कम फंक्शन ऐसे होते हैं, करते हैं चले जाते हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी दिल आपका वो समा जो गुजारते हो आप उसी के अंदर चले जाते हो. तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोमेंट व्हेन आई एम ऑलवेज विद अशोक. सो गॉड ब्लेस यू अशोक. कीप डूइंग गुड वर्क माय डियर. गॉड ब्लेस.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mukesh Shisa is also a very renowned producer and also ruling the world with Punjabi films. It's all in one. Which is that best space you like? Set पर वो कौन सी आपकी फेवरेट स्पेस है जहाँ पे आपको बैठने को अच्छा लगता है? Is it कैमरा के आगे as an actor या is it as a director, as a boss around, as a producer? सर कौन सी जगह बहुत अच्छी?
करेक्ट कर देता हूँ मैं आपको. मैंने एक ही फिल्म प्रोड्यूस की है, वो भी अपने बेटे की.
हाँ सर, मैं जानती हूँ ना सर, नहीं थी वहाँ पे.
मैं चाह रहा था एज ए फादर मैं उसके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. पंजाबी मेरी लैंग्वेज थी, मुझे लगा कि मेरे दोनों काम हो जाएंगे. कि पंजाबी को अपना बेटा सौंप रहा हूँ मैं, और मुझे खुशी होगी कि अगर उसमें कामयाब होता. तो उसमें मुझे एज ए प्रोड्यूसर एक्सपीरियंस जो मुझे हुआ. बाकी मैं एक्टर हूँ, वही रहूँगा. डायरेक्शन का कोई इरादा नहीं मेरा. सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे क्या लगी, अब जो जिंदगी जो सफ़र मेरा रहा, कि मैंने जैसे अभी कहा इन्होंने कि इंग्लिश में क्या फ़र्क है एज एन एक्टर, और क्या फ़र्क है. थोड़ा फ़र्क यही है कि वो किस तरह बात करते हैं, वो किस तरह सोचते हैं. तो आप हमारी स्टेट से स्टेट चले जाएंगे, कहने का तरीका और हो जाता है, कपड़े पहनते हैं हम डिफरेंट हो जाते हैं. ये सबसे बड़ी ब्यूटी मुझे एज एन एक्टर लगी, जो मुझे मौका मिला. मुझे धोती पहनने का मौका मिला. जब वो धोती और उसका कपड़ा पहनते हैं तो तेलुगु में जब बात होती है, भले ही उतनी लैंग्वेज नहीं मालूम, लेकिन जब उसको फील करके कुछ बात करते हैं तो हम अलग हो जाते हैं. इसी तरह ही जब आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं तो इंग्लिश का स्टाइल अलग है बात करने का. इतना डीप नहीं होते हो किसी भी उसमें, तो वो जो पकड़ता है एक्टर तो उसे परफॉर्म करता है. तो मुझे लगता है एज एन एक्टर यही मुझे सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट लगती है.
सर इसलिए आपको यंग लिविंग लेजेंड कहते हैं. इतनी गहराई से आप कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करते हैं, बट आई फील इट्स एब्सोल्युटली एफर्टलेस. आई थिंक इट्स ऑल नेचुरल कमिंग टू यू. मुझे तो लगता ही नहीं आप कुछ मेहनत करते हैं सर.
वो तो करना पड़ेगा ना बेबी.
नहीं करते.
वो बुलाते हैं हमें किसी विश्वास के ऊपर. जब आप हायर किया जाते हो, ये चीज डिसिप्लिन मैंने साउथ इंडिया में देखा. बहुत इज्जत मिलती है. आपने वहाँ स्ट्रगल नहीं किया होता, बॉम्बे से या कहीं से भी किसी भी स्टेट से जब वो बुलाते हैं तो आप बुलाए जाते हो विद लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट. तो मुझे हमेशा लगा कि ये जो रिस्पेक्ट इन्होंने दी है ये कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. जितनी उन्होंने दी है उतना हमारी ड्यूटी बन जाती है. बिकॉज इट्स अ प्रोफेशनल थिंग. इट्स नॉट कि वहां से आए हैं, बॉम्बे से आए हैं तो लेट्स रिस्पेक्ट हिम. नो, इट्स अ प्रोफेशनल थिंग. तो ये सब चीजें सीखने को मिली है इस जर्नी में. तो मुझे इसी लगता है यही सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट है.
Beautiful. And sir, towards the last question, जहाँ हम सब जानना चाहेंगे about the future और कौन सी films हैं. You said as an actor, of course, and what is it that we're looking forward to?
अभी एक पंजाबी फिल्म रिलीज हुई है, वो चल रही है. एक बहुत बड़ी फिल्म तेलुगु में रिलीज हो रही है, कनप्पा उसका नाम है. मोहन बाबू जी बहुत बड़े प्रोड्यूसर और वहाँ के हीरो भी हैं, और उनका बेटा इस फिल्म में हीरो है. तो उस फिल्म में बहुत सारा टाइम दिया हम लोगों ने, और मुझे बहुत खुशी है वो फिल्म करके, क्योंकि उसकी कहानी ऐसी है कि वो पंजाबी में भी उसका मतलब वही है, तेलुगु में वही है, तमिल में भी वैसा ही है, क्योंकि कुछ सब्जेक्ट ऐसे होते हैं जो सबके होते हैं, सिर्फ तरीका अलग हो जाता है उन्हें प्रेजेंट करने का। तो ये जो साउथ इंडिया, कुछ पंजाबी कुछ हिंदी, एक सीरीज मैंने की है जो शायद अगस्त में रिलीज होगी, वो उसको ज्यादा नहीं बता सकूंगा मैं, सलाहकार उसका है, बट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है मेरे लिए।
Wow, that's wonderful. So much in pipeline. We've spoken about his personality, his great intelligence. He's a genius in the world of acting. लेकिन जो बहुत ही अहम बात है, that is his rich baritone vocals. आपकी आवाज सुनते ही कुछ तो हो जाता है. So it's wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for the one and only Mukesh Rishi.
Thank you.
And sir, separate picture with sir. And you, 7,
रखिए प्लीज.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ooh la la la, ladies and gentlemen, on the cover page, presenting Vardhaman Group, Society Interiors and Design. I'm going to request my dignitaries to please join us ahead of the unveiling with a beautiful picture where we have all the projects of the Vardhaman Group. That's Mumbai's real estate, redefining luxury and innovation. Swati ma'am, you can smile. We're proud of you and your work. Thank you. We're truly thankful, ladies and gentlemen. Don't worry, sir. सारे options दे देंगे friends from the media. आप जब तक खुश नहीं होते, सारी permutation, combination सब करने वाले हैं हम आज. We're truly thankful to Invincible. So you can step a little ahead. You can step a little ahead. Sure. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I know हम मुझे तालियां मिल रही है. मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ आप सबकी. मुझे तो लगा सबके हाथ में मोबाइल फोन से हैं, तो आप चीयर कर सकते हैं. वाह, अमेजिंग, सीटी भी बजा सकते हैं आप. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, hi, mashallah, what a color. Let's please give it up as we like to felicitate the one and only, the very pretty Preeti Jangiani.
Look centered. Come here, देखिए. Hello. क्या देखिए?
Parveen, can I request you to come 2 steps ahead so that we have better clarity in picture? Sure. How kind. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, huge round of applause for the entrepreneur and leading the film world along with the sport world with his brilliant performances is Parveen Dabas here with us, ladies and gentlemen. And the sunshine girl, जो हम सबकी जिंदगी में brightness ले आती है, please join us ahead, Shibani Kashyap. You look lovely, Shibani. We'd like to also welcome Rajiv. We're going to have a picture with you as well later. Thank you. One picture with all of you. Coming together closer.
चलो.
Wow. Magnet Publishing, Society Interiors and Design. We are done? Friends on the media?
1 minute.
नहीं लीजिए, मैं यहीं पे हूँ. मुझे हमारी टीम को इनवाइट करना.
Hello.
And thank you very much for your beautiful introduction as always. Simran is a fantastic host and hosted innumerable events. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate Society Interior and Design for their fabulous cover and for yet another amazing edition. Their quality is always unmatched and is a name in the world of interior and design, and I think it will always remain so. It will be very, very difficult to beat this magazine for anyone. Ashok ji, I am so very proud of you for continuing this legacy in this manner. It's fantastic what you have been doing so far and what you are doing today as well. I'd really, really like to congratulate you and I feel very, very happy to be here at the unveiling. It's also a very special day for him, but I think I'm not allowed to reveal that yet. I will allow him to reveal.
सबको पता है. That's the best part. सबको पता है. वो secret and this is one of the secret.
Ma'am, thank you very much for welcoming me. And congratulations on all the work all of you have been doing in the entire team at Society Interiors. So once again, it feels fantastic to be here, and I congratulate everyone who's featured in here. It's a big deal. So thank you very much for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you.
पिक्चर विद अशोक सर ना
हाय
अब तो मेरे क्वेश्चंस हैं मैम. मैं सबका टाइम लूंगी. मुझे सब याद है, सब याद है.
हाँ ये
माइक
बट ले लीजिए आप. वो छुपा देंगे. डोंट वरी. स्मार्ट. Amazing. Up to many questions. Was we talking of interiors? I've personally been to your place as well, and you have a lovely house. And with 3 guys in the house, I can understand it's absolutely brilliant. So, which is that lovely place that you feel is very close to your heart?
In my home,
Yes.
I would say it would be my balcony, which is I have many nice plants there. It's almost like a mini garden, and as much as I can do in Mumbai in a little balcony. I have some mint growing. I have some basil. So and I have a lot of little different plants, and I have some flowers as well. So it's very exciting to have a mini garden in my balcony.
Now we know your beauty ka raz. We all know her beauty ka raz. She's breathing also and at the same time having absolutely organic, great greens all around.
Not
Thank
that
you.
much. It's not that big a garden.
No, but at least you're having all the
It's
good
just some
ones.
mint to put in the nimbu pani. That much.
बस उतना ही चाहिए हेल्थ के लिए उतना ही चाहिए नींबू पानी. I'm gonna I'll ask you of course. Preeti, the last question we like to know, and everyone would like to know, the world would like to know about your future projects. What is lined up for you now?
Yes, definitely. I hope everyone has enjoyed Kapas. That's on Sony Live. That's currently on. But we're also very, very proud and very, very excited about the Pro Punjab League, which completed its first season on Sony Sports. And we are very much gearing up for season 2. It is a sport that nobody knew would come up in this manner, and it's taken not just India but the world by storm now. I can say that now because on our first, in just our first season, we had 32 million unique viewers on Sony Sports, which is a huge deal for any league in its first season, and it's only going to grow from here.
So what's this your idea कि boss की idea थी? घर के big boss की
I
idea.
have to give credit where it's due. Parveen is a huge combat sports fan. And I'm not going to take his line, but he's going to tell you what his line is for
Sure.
the sports.
So I'm going to have one picture with both of you here, and then I'm going to request Preeti to take a seat. But thank you so much for joining us. Your friends from the media, you can have a picture with both of them now. Swati ma'am, you can feel free to join us, please. Sure. Whenever it comforts you.
सर आइए ना प्लीज सर हाँ हाय
So with सारे combinations, how has your association been so far?
It's been wonderful. Last time, of course, Ravi ji was here, and his spirit and strength is still there with everyone. And Ashok ji is doing a fabulous job taking that legacy forward now. And I think associations, life, everything is about relationships. And there's a great relationship here. And whenever Ashok ji calls us, we'll always be there. And I am a huge fan of the magazine. I actually love sometimes whenever I get time studying interiors and the way different people design different looks, because I feel it's about surrounding yourself with beautiful things. Sometimes it's about vastu, it's about different things, but it's about being in a home which you appreciate and you would want to live in and look around every day. चाहे आप खुद करो, चाहे interior designer या architect, of course, so but the home is such an important place, and interiors and is about our spaces that we live in.
Right.
So congrats again, Ashok ji and team Swati ji and the whole society team for such a wonderful magazine.
What are we looking forward to with the Pro Punjab League, and as an entrepreneur, what's really on the cards, and of course as an actor as well?
First, I'll tell you as an actor,
We
because I'll always
very
be an
keen to
actor
know
first.
that.
बाकी
You'll be
काम
very
चलता
keen,
रहता
yeah.
है. But I got a huge Amazon show called Andekhi coming out, which is an Excel Entertainment production.
Wow, Andekhi.
And, I've got a film called The Room coming out, which is in post-production but should start doing the festival rounds soon. So, and there are a couple of other things I'm going to start shooting now. And as far as Pro Punjali goes, we're going to be, we're getting ready for our second season now. We'll be announcing the date this week. And
Wow, this week itself.
yeah,
Interesting.
so it's again a passion project in a way, because we've managed to make a difference in the lives of a lot of athletes who didn't have a platform. So I think for us it's about creating that platform and uplifting a whole community of athletes. And the best part is also not just the league, of course, that's great, but even better is the fact that we are able to take Team India abroad, so that is the best feeling, being there, taking the athletes, who represent the country, and when they're there winning medals, I think that is the moment of satisfaction when athletes representing your country can win medals amongst a huge amount of nations. So I think that is what makes it all worth it.
Sure. I have a very small question. Really want to know, in the acting world, coming back to acting, do you have a different approach for the character when you played for a Hindi film or an English film? Is it a different feeling, or how is it?
No,
Do
I
you
think
different?
human beings are not different anywhere in the world. They're the same. We all want the same things. We all aspire to the same things. We want to take care of our family. We want to bring up our children, right? So we want to do the same thing. So human beings are not different. भाषा अलग अलग जगह में अलग अलग है. So it's just कि भाषा अलग है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सोचते अलग है या कुछ वो है. So the way you work on a character is the same. It's just the language which is different. Yeah.
I can't thank you enough for joining us. It's been very, very special, and you'll have always been good luck charms for us.
Thank you. And
So
again,
thank you
like
so
Preeti, I
much.
want to say thank you. You've been always very, very wonderful.
Thank you so much.
So many places. It's great to be there when you're there.
Pleasure's all
Thank
mine.
you.
Please, one picture. Also, with Baba Ramdev doing yoga and the breath, especially for singers.
You relate to it because I know how well you do yoga. So yeah.
Right. Thank you. And I'm doing a show with him in Dubai on the 12th and 13th again.
Amazing,
So,
amazing, yeah.
So thank you. Thank you, Shivani. I know हम सब आप कुछ कह रहे हैं? You want to say?
And a new song is coming up. My very first Tamil song, Tamil film called
Wow.
Mahal, is releasing
Wow.
in May. So I'm excited about that.
Well, that's nice. So we truly look forward to the Tamil song as well. आपको जो चाहिए शिवानी, आपका
So
राज.
क्योंकि हम we're doing dedication to interiors and architecture and design, and क्योंकि आप architects जो होते हैं हमें एक सितारों में और बहारों में ले चलते हो. You take us to a very heavenly world, right? So I'll dedicate this to the magazine and to all of you. This is my new recreation of आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चले, दिल जो जाए ऐसे बारों में ले चले, आओ हुजूर आओ. Thank you.
First, all my dignity guests, Pavin, Priti, and Shivani and Mukesh, thank you so much for making this evening special for us. And I also like to thank the media friends. In fact, today our chairman, Mr. Narira, is not here, but his legacy, we are all committed that we will be definitely carrying forward his legacy, which he started 50 years ago. Once again, thank you so much for making this evening special.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And sir, as they want a picture. हाँ, sir. सब होगा. आपके लिए तो हम आए हैं, sir. आप हमारे लिए, हम आपके लिए आए हैं. Alright, we're going to have the felicitation in the last few minutes, friends, and we're going to end with a lovely pic with everyone from Invincible, the lovely team. आप हमें इतना प्यार देते हो, शुक्रिया उसके लिए.
अरे बाकी है
Yes, thank you, sir. Sir.
सर एक बोलो
Ladies and gentlemen, during the pandemic, his work and contribution to the city of Mumbai was phenomenal, and we truly want to thank him and felicitate him with a small token of love, of course, our Indian tradition way of felicitation, along with a lovely bouquet full of love for his outstanding work he's done for the society at large. Ladies and gentlemen, he's Dr. Khalid Sheikh. So we're going to have a few words from you, Khalid Saab.
Ashok Bhai, thank you very much for inviting me. He just called, I know Ashok Bhai on phone during COVID time. He used to call me, अरे डॉक्टर साहब वैक्सीन दिला दो ना. सिर्फ वैक्सीन. अरे अकेले के लिए नहीं, डेली 2 लोग भेजते थे. पहले तो अकेले ले लिए, फिर सबको भेजते रहे. और रियली दैट वाज अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम. आई एम टॉकिंग आई थिंक मार्च 20 वैक्सीन आने के 1 वीक के बाद की बात. एंड अभी सोसाइटी को देख के मुझे ऐसा लगा ना, सोसाइटी फाउंडेशन शुरू करते हैं. अशोक भाई मेरे पूछे और आई विल हेल्प यू. मैंने कोविड में कितने काम किया. 2-3 मिनट मेरे पास की 2 मिनट प्लीज. मेरे बॉम्बे के जितने कोविड सेंटर से मैक्सिमम मैंने थाना मीरा भाई जीतू भाई थाना का भी मैंने किया ना. ये थाना में जीतू भाई भी इसी तरह वर्क करते थे. बोले ले लो मैं कैसे भी कर दूंगा डॉक्टर साहब. पेशेंट भेज देते थे. ठीक है, वो भगवान साथ में था कि सब कुछ फोन हो पाया एंड हम लोग उससे बाहर आए. मीरा भाई उल्लास सिंह रमदार टेक्नो मुझे इस तरह दे रहे थे जैसे गिफ्ट दे रहे थे. एक सेंटर 1000 बेड का बनाया, बोलते चलाओ. सर बेड नहीं, पेशेंट स्टाफ नहीं है. बोले कर लोगे तुम. और फोन ऑफ कटे जाता था. ये हर जगह से फोन आते थे, पर लकली मैं सब कराया. और आज की डेट में हम लोग कैंसर पे फ्री ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. ये बोलना बहुत जरूरी था. मैं सोनू भाई, इनके दोस्त सोनू सूद के जितने एग्जीक्यूशन होते सब मैं करता हूँ. प्रियादेव जी का करता हूँ. मैं चाहता हूँ कि जितने भी अशोक भाई के थ्रू आएंगे मैं सब फ्री में करूँगा. फ्री में मतलब मेरी तरफ से फ्री नहीं, गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम है जिसमें सीएम फंड इन्वॉल्व है, सिद्धि विनायक है, बहुत सीपीए है, टाटा ट्रस्ट है. कोई भी कैंसर का पेशेंट है अगर आप लोगों के पास, खाली आप अशोक भाई को बोल देंगे, दैट विल बी डन. चाहे वो कीमो हो, रेडिएशन एंड एवरीथिंग. थैंक यू.
That's so kind, thank you. आज का ये शुभ दिन और आपने हमें खुशखबरी भी दी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर.
40 years old marriage. Yeah, later. Congratulations to entire team of this magazine. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So that's very interesting. We will definitely have this and both are blushing. Sir, last week Australia, उसके पहले दुबई, पूरा वर्ल्ड तो ट्रैवल करते रहते हैं. I'm in Australia, I'm like, we are in Australia, wow, मिलते हैं, क्या बात है. इतना रोमांस करते हैं सर ये लोग, वाह, पूछो ही नहीं. अब पता चलेगा क्वेश्चंस में, सरप्राइज क्वेश्चंस में.
फोटो भी भेजते हैं.
फोटो भी भेजते हैं, आपको भी भेजते हैं. अरे वाह, मुझे नहीं भेजते हैं वो. अच्छा, वो सीक्रेट फोटो है आपके लिए. That's only for you, जितेंद्र मेहता sir. Sir, it's such a huge honor. Sir, जितने I think 70% of the time you are very busy. आप आते नहीं हैं. आज आप आए हैं तो स्पेशल पिक्चर with जितेंद्र मेहता जी प्लीज इन सब हो जाए. Because we rarely have you here, sir. I mean, you're always there. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to put our hands together as we invite yet another brilliant legends from the world of real estate. Let's give it up for Ketan and Manisha Seth. Manisha ma'am, please, avi jao. Ladies and gentlemen, Ketan Seth, the founder and principal designer of Gold Mine Project Consultant, spearheads a distinguished Mumbai-based Centre design and built architectural firm boasting over 34 years of expertise. Together with his spouse and creative stylist Manisha Seth, the firm delivers unparalleled turnkey design solutions across residential, corporate, hospitality, healthcare, institutional, retail and architectural domains. As the chairman of IIID Mumbai chapter, Ketan is truly a visionary leader. This feeling, आज couple special है क्या? सारे couples दिखाई दे रहे हैं मुझे, हाँ ना sir? So I'm going to please request Ketan sir to kindly speak a few words and address something to Manisha ji. Today is Navratri also, to your queen. I can hold that for you.
No.
And I'll give it back to you.
Yeah, please. Thank you so much. I am so happy that I am with all the dignitaries over here. So I am also feeling that I am a little small, smaller. I am also stalwarts of this industry. So you made me feel like that. So with Society Interior, my association is since Mr. Nari Hira's time, and we know Mr. Ashok since many years. And I'm so happy that many of our projects has been published in this magazine, and we got a good amount of recognition because of that. So keep continuing this process, and all the best, Ashok. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Harriet Juhu, along with B. Raheja Associates Mumbai. And it was this wonderful design experience which formed the foundation of SPDS and Sash Design Luxury Bespoke Furniture, both being an extension of our exquisite work. Exquisite and timeless pieces developed by Sash Design are carefully crafted with utmost precision. It's time for us to hear a few words from Sonia Podar. Looking gorgeous as always, Sonia.
Thank you, gorgeous lady, and thank you all, even all the gorgeous people out here. Special thank you to Ashok ji and Swati ji for recognizing all the efforts that I've put in for all my work here, and the team at Society Interiors, like architect Deepak ji, he said that in this world of social media they are still sticking to hard copies, and trust me, hard copies, the feel of reading with a book in your hand, a magazine in your hand, nothing beats it. And continuously they have been always encouraging students and designers to do good work, and the knowledge sharing that happens through Society Interiors, nobody can beat it. So I'm thankful and deepest gratitude for the honor bestowed on me. Thanks a lot and much love to all of you.
Sonia, that's time. Thank you for joining us here today.
Congrats the entire team of Society for doing the amazing work on it. Wish you all the best for all future projects. All the best.
But we want every project, every unveiling, yours should be there. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us. Thank you so much. You want to take a picture? I don't mind. May we please welcome architect Nakul Vengsarkar, the director and joint head designer at... Okay, sure. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome architect Deepak Mehta ji. आप तो आई अभी हैं, रोशनी तो अभी आई है हमारे पास. Please आ जाएं, architect Deepak Mehta साहब. I want to thank Ketan sir and Manisha ma'am for joining us here. Thank you. And request Deepak sir to please be here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, Deepak Mehta Architects was established in 1985. The principal architect, Mr. Deepak Mehta, after his graduation, worked with architect Hafiz Contractor as an associate architect and has grown steadily over 29 years, based out in Mumbai. And today they have spread their wings in more than 12 cities of India and overseas at Dubai. Their work focuses on creating unison between people and build spaces. It's our honor to hear from architect Deepak Mehta. But he's wanting a picture with you, Preeti.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. May we please have a few words from us.
Thank you very much, Ashok, everyone, all of you. As we all know, this Interior Design Society, India Design, it is a very known name, especially for us architects and designers. I'm talking about some 25 or plus years. At that time, even my practice is almost 13 and 40 years. After passing out from office, academy, and then joining office contractor. So, there were very few magazines and such type of media, I would say, where the architects work, the interior designers, everything were really, showcasing their, and they're coming out of it. Now, there are social medias and there's Instagram, there's LinkedIn and this, and still out of this, we would love to open up the magazines, the books in my library and look into it, and that comes through real inspiration out of it. Thank you very much. You have been driving force for all of us, and very nicely. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So certainly we shall have a copy for you as well. 94 is his architecture and interior designer firm, which was founded in 94 and marked its presence in various cities across India and Dubai. With an extensive experience of 25 years, Ashish Mancholia successfully completed various projects from architecture to interiors in the residential, commercial, institutional, retail and hospitality sectors. We are truly overwhelmed to also have कृपा, शुक्रिया आपकी कृपा है तो आशीष जी इतनी तरक्की कर रहे हैं. अब मुझे पता नहीं, अब राज मुझसे ही पूछेंगे. सर आप बताएंगे सर. A few words from you, sir.
Thanks Ashok ji, Swati ji, and I think I have to say this is one of the best platforms. So this is one of the best platforms. Society design interiors is one of the best platforms, and everybody means our designing team or architecture student, everybody likes this platform and this magazine. And in this time of social media, I would like to say this is one of the best, and what they are doing, the team are doing is very tremendous work and tremendous featuring all the architects and designers. Thank you.
It's the same. हमेशा खुशियां देते हैं to the world of events, live events, and the beautiful world of entertainment. The one and only बसंत भंडारी. भंडार इनके पास खजाना है खुशियों का.
Thank you Ashok ji. On behalf of United Railways, I congratulate Stardust, Meghna Magazine Society. This is the wonderful platform which he created from last 25 years. My association with him, and all the best to the dignitaries who are present here, and all the best to the star of this today's Bollywood. Thank you Rishi ji, your presence, your great singer Shivani ji. Thank you to all. Thank you very much.
Yay, you rock, my friend. Thank you so much.
आज एज ऑलवेज सोसाइटी इंटीरियर्स एंड डिज़ाइन मैगज़ीन के जो इवेंट्स होते हैं वो ऑलवेज़ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं और हमेशा जो कवर हम अनवेल करते हैं वो ऑलवेज़ एक बहुत ही अनयूजुअल, यूनिक और एक्साइटिंग कवर होता है और उसके पीछे एक कहानी ज़रूर होती है. सो टुडे वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर विद अशोक जी. नारी जी की जो लेगेसी है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से ही इज़ टेकिंग इट फॉरवर्ड एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी प्राउड एंड वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर.
नहीं, मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि हम मिस्टर हीरा की जो लेगेसी है उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल फॉर प्रीति एंड परवीन. दे हैव टेकन देयर प्रेशियस टाइम एंड यहाँ पर आके हमारे साथ जो खुशियाँ बांट रही है उसके लिए आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू देम.
और सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I want to congratulate वाइफ तो है क्या कहते हैं और first of all congratulations to Ashok ji on and ma'am on their 35th anniversary. I want to congratulate the whole society team. एक जो कवर एक मैगज़ीन है बहुत लोगों के मेहनत से बनता है and it's obviously made with a lot of love and passion. So I want to congratulate them on a wonderful cover again, and this is the second time we're coming for the Society magazine unveiling, and last time Nari ji was here and Ashok ji is taking ahead the legacy with a lot of passion. So congratulations Ashok ji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Silence. आप लोग अनवीलिंग पे कैसा लग रहा है ऋषि सर?
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है एंड with the great Mukesh Rishi ji and of course our dear Praveen and Preeti, they just we were all बहुत मजा आया ना. Ashok is like family to us, right? So और आज एक स्पेशल दिन भी है. आज है इनकी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी, so I think it's like a double triple celebration of sorts, है ना भाई?
Yes. जिस तरह जितनी अच्छी मैगजीन है, सबसे खूबसूरती मुझे क्या लगी मैगजीन में, इसमें बहुत सारे नए लोगों को चांस मिलता है. और जहाँ एक तरफ हाफिज़ साहब हैं, दीपक साहब हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े डिज़ाइनर हैं, वहाँ नए लोगों को भी इस मैगज़ीन में बहुत काम मिलता है. और फंक्शंस में भी मैंने कई बार देखा है कि नए बच्चे जो आते हैं, ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सीनियर्स एंड न्यू पीपल है ना, मुझे लगता है ये बहुत फ्रूटफुल रहेगा नॉट द ओनली मैगजीन पर उन बच्चों के लिए एक्सपीरियंस कितना ज़बरदस्त है, तो उसके लिए भी मैं अशोक जी को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कहता हूँ और यही कहूँगा कि कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेटिव सोचते रहते हैं, करते रहें। मैं चाहता हूँ कि नए यंग लोगों को भी इस मैगजीन में के थ्रू उनको इन्वॉल्व करते रहेंगे, तो मुझे लगता है उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा।
अशोक सर, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इतनी तारीफ कर दी, अब आपको बताइए।
मैं तो बहुत I just want to tell all our friends that I'm really grateful that I have such wonderful relationship with all the celebrity friends, okay, and they are really going out of the way to support me. एक आवाज़ दो, they are there for me. You know, I'm so grateful to them.
All the best.
All the best.
सर एक आपसे क्वेश्चन है सर, आपके हिसाब से सर, आपके अनुसार सेलिब्रिटीज सोसाइटी इंटीरियर डिजाइन को बढ़ावा देने के लिए किस तरह से मदद करते हैं?
हमारे जितने भी फंक्शन होते हैं उनके लिए वो आते हैं, ज़रूर आते हैं, बहुत मोटिवेशन देते हैं हमें। एंड हमारे जो आर्किटेक्ट्स फर्टिनिटी है, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर है, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनके लिए बहुत मोटिवेशन देते हैं, तो बहुत खुशी की बात है।
Once again, Mukesh, she दूर है। Oh, here, come, both of you together, come that side. पीछे से आए, that side. एक ही पहनाना चाहिए ना? Shivani, please. Lovely wedding anniversary to the beautiful couple, friends of the media, and our distinguished dignitaries. Please join us for the cake cutting ceremony. Right now is the cake cutting ceremony. Please, Preeti.
सेंटर लुक देखिए सब लोग, सब लोग सेंटर देखिए।
Parveen ji, please come ahead.
सब लोग सेंटर देखिए प्लीज। अरे भंडारी जी सामने देख लो।
Beautiful to the most loving couple, ladies and gentlemen. Hearty congratulations on this lavish wedding anniversary celebration.
Congratulations and celebration.
क्या बात है?
Want to know I'm happy as can be. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know how happy I can be.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है?
Beautiful. Preeti, you know it so well. I have no idea about the lyrics too. आपको भी आता है? So Preeti is the one. Preeti is the one.
चलिए।
Lovely celebrations. बैक से कौन बजा रहा है चुपके चुपके?
बंद कर दो।
डीजे